don't know.
Let's start. Good Froggy.
I'll be dancing. I'll be dancing.
You want to do more with it?
No.
No. You're the cutest frog I've ever seen.
Hannah! Yeah. How about we play dance? Okay? No.
Do you want to dance with your sister?
Not gamer.
Uh-huh.
Hannah, let's pass each other. Yeah. Hannah, no. Hannah. Here's how we play. Running. Hannah. You go that way. Pass. Hannah, stay there. Hannah, you gotta stay on the other side. You can't stay where I'm staying. You got to stay on that side, okay? And then when I come on this side, you don't come on this side.
You should probably count to 3, and then she knows when to come.
Count to 3 and then she'll
1, 2, 3, go!
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hannah!
She's just
I'm
little.
not playing this game.
She's just little. Do rock, paper, scissors. She knows how to do that one.
Daddy.
Can you do it again, honey bunny?
Uh-oh.
Hi, today is